Creating a budget is a smart way to manage your money. A budget helps you see how much money you have and where it's going each month. So to make a good budget, you should have different categories to organize your spending. So you got to start with about 5 to 10 categories. Here are some important ones, all right? Here we go. Number 1, housing. I'll put it all in the description. So housing. This includes rent or mortgage payments. Number 2, utilities. This covers electricity, water, and gas bills. Number 3, food. Money for groceries, eating out, Yeah, you always have the same meals every day. Number 4, transportation. This is for gas, bus fares, car payments. Number 5 is insurance, payments for health, car, and home insurance. Number 6, savings, money that you put away for the future. Number 7, entertainment. This includes movies, games, hobbies. I don't do none of that. Number 8, health, spending on your doctor or medicine. Number 9, debt repayment. So money paying off loans and credit cards. Number 10 is miscellaneous. Any other spending that doesn't fit in these categories. By organizing your budget to fit in these categories, you can see where you spend the most money and where you can save, and this helps you make better choices and reach your financial goals. If I were you, I'd invest in some accounts and stocks that gives you a minimum of 7% back yearly, and you compound interest. That's the way to do it.